Hello everyone, Alice here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is October 18th, 2020. We're talking today about Nasdaq, SPX, NDX, and the US 30, all the major indices for the US stock market. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Let's go to the chart, see what chart tells us. Okay, let's start with S&P 500. Here's the daily chart for S&P 500, and as you see here, we had retracement to this level to 32, 34, and 31.78, which was like very strong support area here. As you see, lots of price action happening here and lots of support here, and we can call this as like a major support area. And after that, we will see market is coming back with this nice inverse head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulder pattern actually going upward. However, we are getting close to the all-time high and we are retracing back. This is the trend line that we are stuck in with it now. This is bullish trend line, and as far as we are above this trend line, the price action is bullish. Right now the future market opens higher, so which is kind of a bullish sign, but we are waiting for the US. Well, we are waiting for London session, first of all, to see if London session follow through. And after that, the US session actually follows through as well. Then it's going to be like this pattern is the bull flag, this bullish consolidation. And I really like the pattern as far as we are above this trend line. Let's go to the 4 hours chart. It's showing us better. Okay, so if we are here in 4 hours chart, and as you see here, we have this apex triangle here. This is a bullish consolidation above this trend line, and this trend line is now we are holding above 20 SMA and 50 SMA on the 4 hours chart, and above this trend line. If we break through above this diagonal resistance line here, if we break through above this tomorrow or a day after tomorrow, probably Monday or Tuesday, then it's going to be very bullish sign, and we are going all the way up to here, kind of like a 3600 is going to be our last target for this bullish movement. However, if we break through down, we are going back to test this 33.96. so be careful, guys. There are lots of support here. I know there are another support here, 34.47, which is support area. Now I can delete this line here, and I can delete this line here as well. So let me just put a line there just for our next video, then we can chase it up. If market going back here right there, then it's gonna be very nice. Yeah, you see that there is a nice bullish pattern forming here, a reversal bullish pattern forming here. So we are above this level. If we getting below this level, then it's going to be very ugly for the market. Right now we are above this trend line, and we are hoping, not hoping actually, the price action shows us we are kind of midst of the breaking through above. Why I'm biased to the breaking through above, let me tell you about that. Just look at this RSI here. So RSI already breaking through, and also MACD is getting to the bullish momentum now. We are getting close to the bullish momentum. Bearish momentum is kind of dissipating now and to the bullish momentum. So when we are getting to the bullish momentum, we are seeing a price actually breaking through easily to the higher levels. Let's go to another chart for today. This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq has different story, by the way. Nasdaq in daily chart, you will see, let's see it. So we have this area here. We have this space still above this trend line, which is good, which is bullish. This is the difference for Nasdaq. We have crossing 20 SMA, a crossing over 50 SMA, which is a bullish sign. If we hold this area and if we hold this crossover and follow through by next day, Tuesday, that would be amazing bullish signal to Nasdaq, and we are going all the way back up to 12,800, which is kind of this level. based on the Fibonacci price target, we can see actually this is, yeah, this is the one right there, 2682. The next target is going to be 13,000, but I'm not getting to that 13,000. I'm kind of sticking to that 12,800. 12,800 is kind of like a bullish upside for this target based on this pattern here forming a bullish consolidation, and if we break through, we are going to test this area here to this high here. So let's see how it goes, because we have lots of technology companies earning next week. Apple, Amazon, Tesla are going to announce their earnings for the third quarter, and which is very, very important for the market. Let's go to the Dow Jones. Dow Jones, we are in bullish momentum. If you see for 4 hours, we are in bullish momentum, and Dow Jones have different pattern, by the way. If you see Dow Jones, we break through this. Let me clean this chart here for you guys. Okay, so Dow Jones, we have this rejected back. So we break through this trend line and we rejected back here. So we need to go higher. If we go higher and close this above this trend line, 29,000, that's going to be available for us. We should be very, very concerned about this last candle here. If we're going above this candle and if we engulf it in 4 hours chart, then it's very, very bullish, guys. It is very, very bullish. However, this area is very strong resistance here. We need to close. Let me show you. We need to close a green candle here, ideally above this. Let me tell you exactly what's the level. We need to close above 28,777. If we close above this line in a green bar, that's gonna be a bullish. Otherwise, market stocking in this resistance, and we will see another sell-off like this. This is a bullish setup here. However, MACD doesn't lose its bullish momentum, but it's getting weaker. You see, RSI is getting weaker, and stochastic is almost at the overbought condition at the resistance, which is gonna be a sell signal for us. However, I'm not gonna short the market now because trend is up. Still, trend is up. We didn't break this low here, which is very, very important. However, we are stuck in here. Probably we are going to have another sideways or two for 2 days or 2 days, 3 days. As I said, next week is gonna be very, very important for earnings. We have lots of earnings coming along, so be careful, guys, about the earnings. Lots of fluctuations are coming down the road. For Russell 2000, which is very, very nice setup here. For Russell 2000, I believe me or not, I believe this is gonna go higher. This is gonna go higher almost to 1700. 1700, yes, 1700. 1698 is major top that I indicate here, which is gonna be a blue. Yeah, it's gonna be 1713. That's gonna be a major top for Russell 2000. So be careful about this level. However, I think we're going to test this area. Let me just put it there, right there. And then it's going to be another. Yeah. So you see this channel here for the Russell. This is the channel that I'm talking about. And we are above all the moving averages. This is a nice crossover here for the daily chart, and this is very, very nice consolidation, nice wick down there, which means that we have bullish momentum upward. And then yeah, we are going to test 1683, and this is the area that I'm looking for taking profit, because we are already long. If you are in our channel in Telegram, You saw that we send a signal, we send buy signal here, and we are still in the money now. And if we break through here, we are gonna take our profit here easily. We are gonna take our profit here, and the stop loss is kind of below this shadow here. So we'll see how it goes next week. Russell 2000 has very nice rally here, good consolidation, nothing wrong with that. This is the way that we want to see from bullish consolidation. And believe me or not, if we break through above this 1654, just any close, 4 hours close above this line, it's gonna head us to higher level, like as I said, 1683, 1713. That's gonna be a very nice area for taking profit, at least 50% of our profit. Okay guys, see how it goes next week. Have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.